Hi, and welcome to our next junior algebra video. We continue talking expanding. Remember, in mathematics, expand means to multiply the term out the front of the brackets by everything inside the brackets. Okay, we're getting a little harder. So let's go example 1. How do we expand this expression? 2 inside brackets 4x minus 3. Right, that 2 out the front means we're going to multiply everything inside the brackets by 2. So here's our first rainbow, and we're going to multiply. Every rainbow we draw is a multiplier. So 2 times 4x. 2 times 4x gives 8x. 2 times 4 is 8, and then we write down the x. Now we can see a subtract, so we write down a subtract, and then we do our second rainbow, which is to multiply 2 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So our answer is 8x subtract 6. Right, example 2. Let's expand this one. We have negative 3 out the front of the brackets, and inside the brackets we have p subtract 6. So we're going to multiply this negative 3 by everything inside the brackets. Right, here we go. Negative 3 multiplied by p. Negative 3 multiplied by p. Now we don't put the times sign in algebra, so we're just going to write it as negative 3p. Right, now we see the subtract, so we write down our subtract and we do our second multiplication, negative 3 times 6. Now, negative number times a positive number gives a negative number. So negative 3 times 6 gives us negative 18. Now, you'll see a subtract and a negative. And you need to know your integer stuff by now, that two negatives make a positive. Subtract and a negative make a positive. So we're going to replace these two with a plus. And we're going to write down negative 3p plus 18. So our final answer is negative 3p plus 18. Now, as you get more confident with these, you will start to pick this up reasonably quickly, I hope, by saying, hang on, I had a negative and a subtract, and that's going to straight away turn that into a plus here. All right, example 3. Let's expand this thing. Out the front, we have not just a number, but a letter, 4x. And inside the brackets, we have 3x plus 6. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to multiply whatever is out the front by everything inside the brackets. So let's start off by going 4x multiplied by 3x. Now 4x times 3x makes 12x squared, because 4 times 3 is 12, and x times another x is x squared. Right, we have a plus here, so let's put our plus down, and let's do our second multiplication. 4x multiplied by 6. 4x times 6. 4 times 6 is 24, and there's an x, so we must write 24x. So our answer is 12x squared plus 24x. All right, thanks very much for watching.